everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW M2 in Brooklyn Gray Metallic with the black, red Vernasca leather inside. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW M2 in Brooklyn Gray Metallic with the black, red Vernasca leather interior. So I've got the car running. That's why the DRLs are showing up perfectly on camera. I'm gonna do a lap all the way around the vehicle. And it is extremely humid outside here in Canada. Oh my gosh. And now that we have done this lap all the way around, let's take a closer look at all the details. We got the beautiful Brooklyn Gray Metallic. And of course, being the 2 Series, we've got the lines coming down here, but we have that prominent power dome there, which I love. Back when I was younger, the first time I drove an E46 M3, seeing that power dome from the inside just gave you this feeling like, oh my gosh, this car has so much power. It has a bump on the hood, so that power dome gives me the similar type of vibes. BMW rondelle, little cutout area that leads into this big aggressive split kidney grille with the horizontal slats. M2 badging on the driver's side in black with the silver lining. I can see down here that this one also has the advanced driver assist radar puck here. And you can see we've got intercooler and oil cooler, big square functional air ducts on each side. I really do like the front end of this vehicle. It looks so aggressive, and just how wide it is. Also, those wide boxy fenders looks amazing. Now let's take a closer look at these headlights. So these are the BMW LED headlights. These are the non-shadow lines. Shadow line, this part would be black as well. But honestly, I don't think you necessarily need the shadow line headlights on the M2. I think it's more necessarily on the G42 2 Series because you get that like gold accent in there. But this one doesn't have that gold accent, and this part isn't too bad. I mean, shadow line does, I think, look a bit more sportier, but this is fine. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 19-inch front and the 20-inch rear double spoke 930M wheels in jet black. And of course, I make a video outside. The train has to make an appearance. You can see we've got those red M compound brakes back there. And if you're gonna do a black wheel, the red brake definitely makes it pop. But I definitely have been getting tons of compliments on my silver 930M wheels on my M2. A lot more than I had anticipated, but I really like the design on the silver because it really shows off the spoke design. But black definitely has a sporty look to it as well. And you can see we've got the rear red caliper there as well with that 20-inch wheel. And of course we have square body line, straight across, cut straight up into that massively rear wide quarter. And I love how wide the front fender is as well. We have the M wing mirror in body color with the integrated turn signal. We've got carbon fiber roof on this one with the new style antenna. This is just a sticker from the factory. Don't worry, that can come off. Look at that side profile. This thing looks so beefy. I love it. And we have the flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access. We've got the Hofmeister kink here. Body colored spoiler on the trunk lid. Look at that rear quarter though. And look at that front fender, how much it sticks out from where the door is. I love that. We've got the inverted L-shaped tail lights, which now everybody knows is a 2 Series. We have the vertical reflectors on the widest section. And down here, rear diffuser with the quad exhaust tips. That looks awesome. And LCI has the black M2 badging with the silver lining. Now if I open the trunk here, So we do have some release levers on each side to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. Carpeted mats, front plate bracket, little netted area with the grocery bag hanger. You've got a tire inflator kit down here and a little cutout area over here. Just remember the M2, M3, M4 no longer has an armrest in the rear area compared to their non-M counterparts. And we have some handles up here on each side so you can close this without touching the exterior of the vehicle. Now if we come around to the passenger side, you'll see we have the fuel cap door over here. It is connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane. We're looking for Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click to open. There's a spot to put it while you refuel, and when you're done, you just shut the door. Now if we come to the passenger door, open that up. Inside you'll see that we have the red contrast stitching. We have the M highlighters, door switch, unlock lock, door pull, window switch, pockets, aluminum M2 door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster, manual under the thigh extension, and these are the black Vernasca leather seats with the red accents, M tricolor stitching on the piping, M2 illuminates on the headrests, M color seat belts. And if I lift this up and I put the seat into the acute angle, the seat will move forward, allowing us space to access the rear. In the rear seating area, we have again the same colorway with the seats. We've also got a little armrest there with the contrast stitching, triangular patterns, coat hanger on the back of the B pillar. The headrest can flip up or flip down, pass through the center, reading lights up top, and on the back of the center console they've got some vents. And there's a little storage tray in the middle, and there's some vents underneath the front seats. And if I put the seat back, it will move back to its previous position. We have nice soft touch materials on the dash, new vent controls here, carbon fiber trim inside, illuminated glove box that can be locked. We have the curved display here with iDrive operating system 8.5 with the M specific layout, cascading ambient light on the new vents. Down here we've got wireless charger, cup holders, USB 12-volt plug, gear selector with the M on top and M tricolor stitching all over it, red push start button, and if I lift this up, USB Type-C. So now that we've had a chance to look through the passenger door, let's shut this door and go to the driver's side next. And there goes the train. Thanks for not being too loud during my video. Open up that driver door. We got Harman Kardon sound system, unlock lock, memory seats, M illuminated highlighters, window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate pop, and some pockets. Again, aluminum M2 door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. Seats look awesome. We have the flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock, carbon fiber on the steering wheel. We have M tricolor stitching all the way around. Red marker at 12 o'clock. We have a head-up display with a sign saying not to drill the front plate. And there's the cruise control stuff in here. M1, M2 config, and carbon fiber shift paddles. This gives you active cruise control and mitigates speed and distance. That's pretty cool. Garage door buttons underneath here. SOS up here for roadside assistance. And of course we've got the visors coming down. The mirror opens with the light, and this can come out and it can extend. So now that we've had a chance to look inside the vehicle, let's take a look down here. You'll see that we've got some pedals. This is your hood release. It's 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful S58 3-liter inline 6 twin turbo. The automatic one has 473 horsepower, 442 foot-pounds of torque. We've got the triangular strut brace with one of the struts going right through the engine cover. Positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, washer fluid. Look at this engine bay. Looks sweet. And BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means both of them have to close at the same time. If I bring the hood about halfway, just throw it down. Perfect. Alright, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. Brooklyn Gray looks sweet. And I've had the car warming up the entire video, so we can try out some exhaust sounds. So let me put you in Sport Plus. That sounds sweet, and that sound is definitely addicting. I know from experience. So, that was the exhaust sound. How do you like the 2026 BMW M2 in Brooklyn Gray Metallic? Let me know in the comments below. Oh my gosh, I'm absolutely drenched out here. It's so hot. So, that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M2 in Brooklyn Gray Metallic with the black, red Vernasca leather inside, automatic transmission, black 930M wheels with the red calipers. What do you think? If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. See you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.